Meet the ultimate party starter, the new JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. Buckle up as we dive into the heart-pounding review of the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. The latest addition to JBL's lineup, the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi, reimagines the iconic 1980s boombox with a modern twist. Weighing in at nearly 7 kilograms, the heft of the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi is noticeable when carrying it by hand. While the weight might be considered a downside, given that the speaker is targeted towards a younger demographic, this might not pose a concern. Nevertheless, it could have been advantageous if the inclusion of a shoulder strap had been considered, enhancing the ease of transporting it. The Boombox 3 Wi-Fi offers the option to connect it to an AC power outlet or operate it independently using the built-in 9600 mAh lithium-ion battery. This battery can provide approximately 20 hours of playback time when streaming audio at standard resolution and 65% volume. However, it's important to note that battery life is notably shorter when streaming high-resolution audio through 3D Dolby Atmos. Notably, the speaker doesn't support AAC codec or aptX codecs. To recharge the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi, you can conveniently plug in the provided AC power cable, and it will fully charge in approximately 4.5 hours. An added benefit is that you can continue enjoying your music while the speaker is charging. The design of the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi bears a resemblance to JBL's Charge 5 Tomorrowland Limited Edition, but in a larger form factor. Notably, the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi adopts a predominantly plastic construction, complemented by a textured fabric mesh and rubberized edges. Its base is equipped with rubber strips, preventing any unintended rolling. The dimensions span 45 centimeters in length, with a body diameter of 17 centimeters. The body showcases a unique tapering, wider at the center and tapering towards the sides, with a diameter of approximately 15 centimeters. The handle measures 38 centimeters in length, 3.5 centimeters in width, and features a 3 centimeters gap for a comfortable grip. Tipping the scales at 6.8 kilograms, it strikes a balance between portability and substantial presence. Both the JBL logo and the handle exhibit plastic construction. The handle, imprinted with the Boombox insignia, boasts a top layer of thick rubber strips, facilitating a comfortable and secure grip when carrying the speaker. Concealing the AC power port and USB, a charge-out port is a sturdy rubber cover, a design that contributes to the speaker's IP67 waterproof and dustproof certification, enabling it to endure submersion in water for up to 30 minutes. On the speaker's interface, you'll encounter 6 physical buttons that control volume, track navigation, Bluetooth pairing, and the power functions. These buttons are coated in rubber for tactile responsiveness. Meanwhile, the remaining buttons, constructed from plastic, are raised. Positioned below the JBL logo, a sizable white LED light serves as a visual indicator for Bluetooth connectivity. In addition to its audio playback capabilities, the internal battery of the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi boasts a charge-out for charging USB devices. While the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi doesn't inherently offer native voice assistant support, it can be seamlessly paired with a Google Smart Speaker or an Alexa speaker, enabling voice control functionalities. On the subject of smart features, the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi seamlessly integrates with Chromecast, allowing you to directly stream music from a variety of streaming applications, including but not limited to Alexa, Tidal, and Spotify. Introducing another impressive innovation, the JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi comes equipped with adaptive audio, a feature particularly useful when you're unsure about where to place the speaker for the best sound quality or when you're transitioning between indoor and outdoor environments. The audio performance of the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi stands out for its exceptional quality, delivering an expansive soundstage accompanied by immersive bass, potent vocal presence, and crisp treble. The speaker's ability to distinguish between various sound elements surpasses that of smaller Bluetooth counterparts, showcasing remarkable clarity and precision. This achievement is attributed to the inclusion of a substantial subwoofer, 2 mid-range drivers, and 2 tweeters that cohesively blend to perfection. The default sound signature can be fine-tuned to personal preferences via the JBL One app, offering options to adjust bass, mid, and treble settings. However, it's worth noting that the EQ lacks specific frequency band customization, which slightly limits the extent of sound customization possible.
Furthermore, through the JBL One app, you can conveniently monitor Wi-Fi strength and access streaming services like Tidal, although it's important to note that certain services may necessitate a separate subscription, not included. While the JBL One app offers an array of features, it's worth mentioning that button remapping functionality is not supported within its interface.